Become the one that people come to you with questions. Good morning, one and all present here. Today we are having a general manager, an international chess player, and a wonderful person who have graduated an international management from MDI Gurgaon. He is none other than he is Rajat Agarwal. And for taking his interview, we are also having a dynamic personality, a soft skills trainer, and an entrepreneur. She is none other than DTM Richa, who has many certificates from Toastmasters. So this virtual stage is over to you, ma'am.
Thanks a lot, Shubham, and most welcome to the champion who is not only a champion in one field but many areas. So, most welcome, Rajat. Good to have you.
Thank you for your kind words, Richard. Thank you so much, and it's good to see you.
So, tell us something about what made you take up economics for your studies.
Growing up, I always felt that I like studying maths. Uh, Studying maths enough not to pursue maths honors, but still enough to pursue something which had to do with maths. And economics is the right mixture between social science and mathematics. So I think it would be a good choice, and it has ultimately turned out to be a good choice. So when I look back, I'm happy that I chose economics.
Good. Tell us something about your work profile. You are working in where and what exactly are your roles and responsibilities?
Okay, so I landed in Fresenius Medical Care through our campus placements last year. And Fresenius Medical Care is a leading manufacturer of dialysis machines and products. It's a German-based company, and it has only recently started its operations in India. And I'm working as a general manager, so which allows me to work from home during the pandemic. I'm trying to support in ways in which is possible, and so it's generally general management, working on sales force effectiveness and efficiency, and so it's lot many tasks put together which makes my job.
Good. So, who is your immediate boss? What is his name?
Her name is quite unique actually. She's Replika Sharma.
Okay, okay. So, are you happy working with your boss or you are not happy?
It's just been 1 month that I've been working here, but so far I think that she's not like, because it's a German culture, so we're not. It's German totally, so we don't see our Indian Lala kind of culture here. So everyone is
Yeah.
good. We are open-minded. We can call our seniors by their names,
Yes,
and so
yes.
it's a good, very open culture, and I like it. So far it's going good.
You never said that boss is always right, isn't it? Okay. Anyway, how many hours do you spare in playing chess or practicing chess?
Okay, so I got this international chess title when I was quite young, when I was 13 years old. And soon I realized that to make a career out of chess, it's almost impossible unless you are at the top of the league. So I was good at chess, but not as good to make a career out of it. So as of now, chess is reduced to a hobby. I like playing chess on the weekend, especially. I spend about a half an hour or so playing with my friends, chess online.
Okay, good, good. So you must carry on practicing that, isn't it? You should never stop.
Sure.
We all know that you are a member of Invictus Toasters. Do you think taking a membership of more than one club helps in Toastmasters? What are your views?
Okay, so Richa, I would not be perhaps in the best position to answer here because I've myself just been a part of one club. But certainly, I think that it could be more useful if one is a part of several clubs because you'd be more exposed to more kind of thoughts and people. So perhaps that can help. But sorry, I don't have a personal opinion because I've
Okay,
myself been a
okay,
part of just one club.
good. Now over to Shubham. He's also waiting eagerly.
Hello, Rajat.
Hi, Shubham.
So yeah, my first little question is how this lockdown is like impacting your industry. Like you have done international management and you are working with a German company. So your company, how this lockdown is affecting?
Yeah, so it's a healthcare company and we provide dialysis services to our patients. And dialysis is a very essential treatment. So our patients visit us about 3 to 4 times in a week, and they spend about 3 to 4 hours on our clinics. So although we have seen a little decline in the number of patients that have visited us, but we are still running our clinics, and we're coming strong as of now. Our major activities and logistics haven't been disrupted because of the virus, and we are allowed to operate being in the healthcare industry.
Okay, don't you think that in India right now the only cure the hospitals are doing is for coronavirus? Like they are not treating people for other other diseases. So don't you think that dialysis people the machine is selling less and it's impacting you?
Well, yeah. So we don't have any new customers now. So all the customers that we have, I mean, I should say patients. All our patients are the ones who have been suffering from these chronic diseases previously too, and they have to anyway come for dialysis because it's a very essential treatment and they can't do without it. But at the same time, so Fresenius has a very niche market, and we have considered going into other businesses like manufacturing ventilators and to help patients of other lifestyle diseases. But then our strategy is to always operate in a very niche market. So it's like we are feet wide, but we are a kilometer thick.
Okay, that was awesome. Right. A last little question is like one learning you have applied from Toastmasters in your real life.
Well, I'd say that I ended up doing MBA. I could secure a good B school only because of Toastmasters. It won't be wrong to say so. I joined Toastmasters because I wanted to hone my speaking skills. I wanted to be, more fluent when I'm speaking in an interview, and it certainly turned out to be worthwhile. I could see more confidence in when I was speaking. It has been 2 years back though, but I owe my MBA degree to Toastmasters. What could be better than this?
Wow, it was awesome hearing you and all the best for your future endeavors. And over to Richa ma'am.
Thank you, Shubham.
Thanks a lot for sharing your views and experience and sparing your valuable time. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.
Thank you, Richa, for sparing your time too, and Shubham. Thank you.